I'll show you how to do it. First thing you gotta know is the centers doesn't move. Usually I solve the white one on bottom and keep the yellow on top, the yellow center basically, and it doesn't really matter, but it matters for now. So you make your white on bottom, don't change it. Okay. And then the second thing you gotta know is the similar colors are the opposite each other. That's why Rubik's Cube looks cool. I mean, you see the white opposite the yellow because they're similar. Blue opposite the green, they're similar in colors, and red opposite orange, they're similar. So that's the first thing you gotta know before you do anything. That will help you to solve the edges quickly. Now, if I say this one, that's the blue center, and I got the white green here on bottom. I already know that this, if I move this twice, 180 degrees, it will be in the right place. You see that? It's in the right place. So I'm not gonna move it. In my mind, I already know that this should be here. So also, it so happens that I see this. So if I move this 180 degrees like that down, it will be also opposite this in the other side. So they'll both be in the right place. So that will be my first move. And the second move will be this here, moving it here in the opposite place. I can move this away. Usually I'll move it away, and I can solve that, and then I will solve this here. So right now, after doing this, I can see all the edges of that cross in the right order, and I saved this pair. This pair is actually the corner and the edge that I'm gonna use for a quick start to solve this here. If I move that, I just insert this here and move this down. That here, I had it already done. So, and for example, if I have these two matched, one of them on bottom, I can also take them out and put them in the right place here. That's what I usually do. Now, you're not expected to know that the way to insert it very quickly, but you have to know how to insert it. You don't have to be quickly at it. I see here the green and blue on bottom. I take them out. Sorry, green and red. I take them out and put them where they should be. Now, for the beginner, what you'd have to know, solve each one of them, is this, only this. If you have the white on this side, you turn this side, okay? And you move that white towards that piece here, this area, and you pull that back down, okay? Now, you have that piece that you'd have to put it here. Alright, for that piece, I can like move this here like that, but it will mess the bottom part. So what you gotta do here is move this away, and then move that part, this side, that opposite this. You see that here? This is the edge we are dealing with. You move the one that is opposite it, and you find these two together. You move a U, not U2, just one U, and you pull it back, the same one you moved before. Now you got them matched. See that here? Alright. Move it on the side and move this up. So I slide this down here and put it. Now, most people don't get this. I move this back. if you want to move this down like here, just normally it would mess this part up. So before moving, instead of moving this down here, I'm moving it, but I'm moving this away and then moving this backwards so I can insert it and then move this down here. Alright, after you're done, you do the same thing here, but sometimes for this, when you move that white side, you move this here. Sometimes it happens to be that they're already together. What's happening here is, let me put it back. What's happening here is that this corner is matching with this edge, and then you're inserting it together. Okay, and that's I think enough for the lesson for the day. Now you know how to do 2 layers. Now I have to know